Day, boys and girls. It is April 30th, our last day of April, and we are starting our last math book today, Chapter 12. So if you want to get Chapter 12, pencil, eraser, colored pencil, maybe crayons, and have those handy, and we are going to begin Chapter 12. So our first page looks like this: classify and sort data. So that is what our unit is going to be. We're going to be doing a lot of grouping this time. So it says that primary colors are blue, red, and yellow. So how many primary colors is the girl sorting? So we see down here we have blue, orange, yellow, red, and green. So which are the primary colors? And we're going to go ahead and we're going to circle those based on what this tells us. So primary colors are blue. So we're going to come over here to the blue, and you can go ahead, and circle that. And if you want, you can use a crayon, a dark crayon. Orange. Is orange one of the primary colors? No, not based on this. Okay. Yellow. Yes, yellow is right there. So we're going to circle. Mine's a little hard to see. And then red. Red also. And then green, we're going to say no. Okay? So how many are primary? The ones that are circled. So we can count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. And we'll just put a number 3 right here. Oops. And then we'll turn over to the next page. So now the directions, it says this is color and shape. We're going to take a look at number 1. And the directions are to circle the fruits that are red. So the ones that are red only. So this one really looks like a peach, so we're just going to leave that alone. It could be a red apple, but I think it's more a peach. And we're going to come over to this one. Is this one red? This one is not red. So we are going to go ahead and cross out these because they are not red. This one, that is an orange. How about the watermelon? Yes. We're going to circle the watermelon because it's red. How about this one, the banana? Nope, that one is yellow. Red strawberries, absolutely. Blueberries? No, that's not red. And the red cherries, of course. So we have 3 that are red in this first group. Now over here, we're going to take a look at number 2. Number 2 says to circle the triangles. All right, so we're going to go through each one, and you can just say yes or no out loud, or you can do the thumbs up yes, thumbs down no. So let's take a look at this first one here. This green shape is thumbs up yes, thumbs down no. Is it a triangle? No, it is not. What shape is it? You should be able to say the shape out loud. It is a square. So this is not only practice with grouping, but also reviewing of our shapes. Let's come up here to this blue shape right here. Thumbs up, yes, thumbs down, no. Is it a triangle? No. Cross it out. How about this shape? Yes, this is definitely a triangle. It has 3 sides. And remember, we're not worrying about colors right now. We're not worrying about size. We're just thinking and concentrating on shapes. Is this a triangle? No. Cross it out. Is this a triangle? No, it is not. How about this one? Yes, this is definitely a triangle because it has 3 sides, and this shape is not, and this shape is not. So we have just 2 here. So we're going to go ahead and go back, since this one whole section was on grouping. And let's count how many were red. 1, 2, 3. And let's go ahead and put 3 up here. And how many here were triangles? 2. And just write the number 2. All right, now we're going to come down to comparing sets. So for number 3, the directions are count and write how many in each set. And then we're going to circle one of the sets. So there's 2 parts. So the first thing we're going to do is cross and count and write the number. So use your pencil and you can cross and count with me. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to go ahead and write the number 6. Now we're going to come over here. We're going to count. I think those are snails, are they? Yep. And we're going to start by crossing and counting. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and write the number 7. Okay, and then our last part to this is saying to circle the set with more objects. So which one is more objects? Is it this one or this one? Which one is more objects? The 7 is larger. So it says to circle the objects, so we're going to go ahead and circle the actual objects, and let's go ahead and just circle the number also. Now we're going to go down to number 4, and we're going to cross and count again using our pencils. Ready? Here we go. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And go ahead and write 8. And then over here, ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to go ahead and write 9. Perfect. Okay, and now they want us to circle the set with fewer objects. So which is less? Which is smaller? Is it the number 8 or the number 9? And looking here, you can see this one goes beyond. So the one that is fewer is this one. I think it's the B's. Go ahead and circle that. And then we're going to move on to our next page after this. And it looks like this. So it says to tell what you know about the ladybugs. Some of the ladybugs are different. Circle those ladybugs and tell why they are different. And then we'll go on and do the butterflies. So the first thing we're going to do is look at our ladybugs. And how are our ladybugs different? So take a look at them. Okay, we're just looking at our ladybugs. We see that all of our ladybugs have on their backs is a red shell with the black dots. But how are these ladybugs different? Well, today we can see that some of them are down here and some are up on this wood or this tree stump. And take a look here. We see, what are these ladybugs doing? They are playing an instrument. So again, we're just saying out loud. It says that some of the ladybugs are different. Circle those ladybugs and tell why they are different. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and circle these 3 ladybugs right here. And they are different because they are playing a trumpet. They're playing an instrument, a musical instrument. So you can repeat after me. 3 of the ladybugs are playing instruments, so they are different. And we see he is the conductor. All right, now we're going to take a look up here. Let's go up here to these butterflies. And they're not playing any instrument. How are they different? So we're focusing on the words alike and different. Now, it didn't emphasize the word alike, so maybe we should go back here to the ladybugs real quick and let's take a look. Well, maybe we'll do that at the end. We'll do all different first and then alike. So look at these butterflies. How are they different? And we're going to be talking more about butterflies this next month in May. How are they different? If you guessed that they have different colors, that is correct. This one is blue. This one is yellow, green, pink, and purple. So all of them are different colors. They do each have some yellow on them. So they are different because they have different colors, but they are alike in that they all have yellow on them. What is another thing that makes them all alike? Alike is the same as the word same. So what is the same about these insects? Oh, I just gave it away. They're all insects. They're all insects, and they're all butterflies. So if you guessed that they were all butterflies or all insects, that would be correct. That's how they are alike. And then come down to the ladybugs. So how are the ladybugs alike? They're all ladybugs. And they all have a red shell with black dots on it. All right. And that, my friends, ends our introduction lesson today. So I have your math book in front of me right now, and the rest you can just do on your own. You may go ahead and tear out the games and the vocabulary cards. Go ahead and tear those out. Cut them all out, okay? And then you can hold up the vocabulary cards. Have your parents read the words to you as you hold them up, if you want, and do like the little game we did in the classroom. And then, of course, this is another game that you can do using your vocabulary. And then you would stop when you get to this page, because this page is our first lesson that we will be doing next time. So that concludes our introduction to Chapter 12, and I hope that it got you excited about what we're going to be doing this next chapter in our math books. We're going to have some fun with it. So have a great Thursday. See you later. Bye-bye.